Wondai Woodworkers. A wooden chain,
All in one piece.
carved with a pocket knife. Look at these hand-carved wooden chains. All out of one piece of timber.
All out of one piece of timber.
Wow, isn't that amazing stuff? Look at that, two hearts that have been hand-carved and out of one piece of wood.
One piece of timber.
Well done. So what do you got there, Des? Tell us about it.
Well, it's camphor laurel and Miranda edge.
Oh, you joined two timbers together. Camphor laurel base with a Miranda edge. And you took about how many hours?
About 3. By the time you join it all up and play with it, you know.
That's great. And then you oil it or varnish it?
That's a furniture polish on that.
Right. That's great. And you come here, how often do you come here?
2, sometimes 3 days a week.
That's great. Gives you a purpose, eh?
Just a reason to get out of bed in the morning.
That's great. Yeah, that's great. Thank you,
Keeps
brother.
us off the street and out of the pub.
Out of the pub. Looking good.
You reckon?
Yeah.
I can't believe that one. Oh, it's not there, give you a look at it.
That's great, isn't it? What sort of wood's that?
That's avocado.
Avocado.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. Absolutely stunning.